Welcome back to the Tool Crib. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to use the wire stripper function on a Victorinox knife. Now, I was recently asked this question, so I thought it'd be a good opportunity to do a video on it to show people. Now, admittedly, I didn't know how to use it for a long time myself, because the prevailing thought is, well, there's no sharpened edge on it. How can you possibly cut wire with it? Well, the truth of it is, it's not intended to cut wire, unlike something like our Leatherman tools, where they'll have a V-notch that is sharpened so that you can both use it to cut the wire and use it to strip the wire at the same time. These are intentionally made as just strippers. So let me show you how to do it on a couple different gauges of wire. So to use the wire stripper function on a Victorinox knife, we have to use the knife blade and the wire stripper. We're going to use our blade first to go around, just determine where we want that wire to be stripped at, and we're just going to cut around the insulation a little bit to score it. Then we can flip it over. We can set our wire so our cut sits below where we want to grab it here. Just put a little pressure and pull, and that will strip the insulation off of your wire. Let's go up to the next gauge. This one is 14 gauge THHN, and we're going to do it in exactly the same fashion. We'll score around, make sure that we get our cut deep enough, flip our knife around, again grab it and pull. And I didn't get that cut quite enough, but you can still see that it pulled that insulation off. I should have cut it around just a little bit more. Now we're going to give it a shot on 10 gauge stranded wire, and in the same method, we'll just score around it. I'm going to try to make sure that I get that cut all the way around this time. Flip our knife around and make sure that we grab it in the right spot. This one's a little tougher because the opening there is not quite big enough to get this in one shot, but you can see eventually it gets the job done. And that's how you use the wire stripper on a Victorinox knife. Now in a Leatherman tool like this Leatherman Wave Alpha, this task is done a little bit differently. So the tool that we're going to use is the wire stripping tool that's in the can opener. The way I like to do it is open this up, then I'm going to release it so that I can take my wire, set it in that notch, and then push the back of that tool so that the wire gets trapped in between the cutter and the spine. And now all I got to do is just twist it around a little bit to get the cut going around the insulation. And then I'm going to reset it, move it up on, instead of having it right there on our cut, we'll just move it up a little bit, grab it, and we can pull the insulation right off. And we do it with the same tool. And that's how you do the wire stripping function on both of these tools. Though they're done just a little bit differently, both of them are very, very effective. My name is Ben. You've been watching the Texas Tool Crib. I appreciate you watching. I'll see you in the next one.